Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Point for Beginner. In this channel, we analyze various stocks, sectors and mutual funds. We run a quantitative analysis based on several factors and then we rank these companies. When we analyze a sector, for example, if you go back to our paint sector analysis, we have analyzed all these five paint companies, and based on how they perform, we have given points, and then finally we give you the result. So from there you know which is the best paint company currently in India. So similarly, we are going to talk about top mid cap specialty chemical stocks here. So four companies we have selected for this analysis: Aarti Industries, Atul Limited, Deepak Nitrite, Alkyl Amines. The market cap for these four companies are the following: Earth Industries about 32,000 crore market cap, Atul Limited about 24.5 thousand crore rupees, Deepak Nitrite similar 24.2 thousand crore rupees, Alkyl Amine 18,000 crore rupees market capitalization. So we are going to analyze these four companies based on several fundamental parameters. When we analyze a sector, or when you want to buy a company from a particular sector, very often we do mistake. We sometimes buy company based on the lower p value or higher, very high growth ratios like sales growth or profit growth or operating profit margin ratios. But what we believe that you cannot just analyze only one parameter to find out a good company. So we run this analysis okay, based on several factors like sales growth, profit growth, operating profit margin, return on capital employed, return on equity, and so on. So when we go through these parameters, you will see how we do this analysis. For example, let's talk about 3-year sales growth. So in this slide, what you can see is that the 3-year sales growth numbers, okay, these are percentage sales growth for all these four companies, and the company which has higher or the highest sales growth, we give that company 4 points, and the company with the lowest sales growth will get only 1 point. So highest to lowest, the points also will be from 4, 3, 2, 1 in this way. So if you take a look at Earth Industries 5.79, Atul 2.02, Deepak 38.2, Alkyl Amines 26.3. So you can see that Deepak Nitrite has highest 3-year sales growth, therefore 4 points. Then Alkyl Amines 26.3 percentage, 3 points. Then it is Earth Industries 5.79 percentage, therefore 2 points, and the lowest 3-year sales growth will be for Atul 2.02, therefore only 1 point. So in this way we analyze all these companies based on different parameters. Let's see, the next parameter is 5-year sales growth. So here also you can see the 5-year sales growth percentage numbers, and you can see that Deepak Nitrite has the highest 5-year sales growth, 26 percentage, therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest sales growth is for Atul, therefore it will get only 1 point. So in this way we are going to scan 14 to 15 parameters. We are going to provide numbers, and at the end we are going to show you the total point scored, and from that you can analyze the company which scores the highest point could be the best company, and accordingly you can find out 4, 3, 2, 1 in that rank. So in this way we have also done analysis for other companies, like we have done similar analysis for paint sector. If you want to take a look at the video, you can go to the description and you can check that videos. We can also show you the results for IT sector companies. So in the description again we have attached a link for the IT sector videos. We have done analysis on Hindustan Unilever versus Nestle. So very often we are confused which company to buy, Hindustan Unilever or Nestle. So if you want to check which one is better suits for you, you can again go back to description and check our analysis. Now let's move on. So 3 year sales growth, 5 year sales growth. Next is 3 years profit growth. 3 years profit growth numbers are shown here in this column, and you can see that Deepak Nitrite has 3 years profit growth of 111 percentage, highest, therefore it gets 4 points, and the lowest in this list is Earth Industries, only 16.8 percentage, therefore only 1 point scored. Now, 5 years profit growth. 5 years profit growth perspective. Again, you can see that Deepak Nitrite is having 5 years profit growth 68.4 percentage. Therefore, we give it 4 points, and the lowest in this list is again Earth Industries, only 15.3 percentage. Therefore, we are awarding only 1 point. So, in this way, you can see, you can have some idea that these two companies, Deepak Nitrite and Alkyl Amines, they are always scoring higher points, and the other two companies like Earth Industries and Atul, they have relatively less points they are scoring. But anyway, if you want to take a look at all the parameters, you have to watch till the end. So I request all of you to please watch till the end, and if you think that these analyses are helpful for you, so please subscribe our channel. Next parameter, return on capital employed, ROCE. You know that this is a very important fundamental parameter when you analyze a stock. So here the highest ROCE is for alkylamines, 56.6 percentage, therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest in this list again Earth Industries, 13.6 percentage, therefore only 1 point. You can see the points for other companies as well in this table. 5 years ROCE. So if I talk about 5 years ROCE, again Alkyl Amines 38.1 percentage, so therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest in this list again Earth Industries, only 16.4 percentage, therefore 1 point scored. Now next parameter is return on equity. So return on the equity, shareholders equity. Again in this list you can see Alkyl Amines 44.4 percentage, therefore 4 points, and Earth Industries is the lowest ROE 16.2, therefore it will get only 1 point. What about 5 years return on equity? 5 years return on equity, again Alkyl Amines, the highest scorer, 35.2 percentage, 5 years ROE, therefore 4 points, and the lowest score is for Atul Limited in this case, with only 18.3 percentage, therefore it is scoring 1, and you can see the points for other companies as well in this list. Operating profit margin is again highest for Alkyl Amines, 34.5 percentage, therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest is for Earth Industries, only 21.8 percentage, therefore it will get only 1 point. So you can see that these two companies, Deepak Nitrite and Alkyl Amine, they are consistently scoring high points, and the other two companies, Aarti and Atul, they are consistently scoring low points. But we should wait and we should watch till the end, and we should see how the final scores are. Now 5 years operating profit margin, 5 years OPM perspective, you can see that this company, Alkyl Amine, with 25.3 percentage is scoring 4 points, and Atul Limited with 19.8 percentage is scoring 1 point. Debt to equity, now lower the debt is better for us, right? So Atul Limited and Alkyl Amines, both these companies have the lowest debt, 0.03, therefore we are giving 4 points to both the companies, and the highest debt is for Earth Industries, therefore it will get 1 point, and Deepak Nitrite will get 2 points. Now next ratio is interest coverage ratio. Interest coverage ratio, higher is better, as you know, right? So Atul Limited, it has the highest interest coverage ratio, 95.3, therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest is for Earth Industries, it will get only 8.69, therefore it will get only 1 point. Next, cash conversion cycle. So how fast cash comes to the company. Okay, lowest is better in this case. So if you take a look at these numbers, you can see the lowest number is for alkyl amine, 71.7 days, so therefore it will get 4 points. The highest is for earth industries, 165 days, therefore it will get only 1 point. So till now the trend is pretty much similar. Deepak Nitrite, Alkyl Amines, they are in the front, and Arti and Atul, they are at the back, right? Next, inventory turnover ratio. So here again you can see that higher is better. Deepak Nitrite has the inventory turnover ratio 6.44, therefore it will get 4 points, and Arti Industries only 2.4, therefore it will get only 1 point. So the next parameter is whether the promoter have pledged their shares or not. If they are pledging, that will give them less point, and if they have not pledged, they'll get more points. So except Atul, all the promoters have not pledged anything, therefore all these companies will get 4 points, and only Atul, they have, and their promoters have pledged, therefore it will get only 1 point. Next, percentage of FII plus DII holdings of total free float market capitalization. So if you take the total market capitalization, and if you subtract the promoters holdings, then you get total free float market capitalization. Now out of this free float market capitalization, what is the holdings for FII plus DII? So if you calculate that, we have calculated it manually, and you can see that for Atul it is the highest, 59.17 percentage, therefore it will get 4 points, and the lowest is for alkyl amine, therefore only 9.39 percentage. Price to earnings, this is the last ratio we are talking about, because we believe that you should more focus on the other parameters, the growth parameters, and then we focus on the price to earnings ratio. So lowest is better in this case, right? So Deepak Nitrite has the lowest P at this moment, 31.2, therefore it will get 4 points. The highest is for alkyl amine, 62, therefore it will get only 1 point. So till now we have seen so many parameters, the points are also too much diverse in, and then when we add these points, you know, we can see which company is scoring the highest point, and then from that, this analysis, this is about 14 to 15 parameters, and if we give equal weightage to each and every parameter, I can show you this is what we get. Alkyl amines is scoring the highest point, 56. Okay, and therefore we placed it in the number 1 position. Then Deepak Nitrite, it is scoring 55 points, therefore it is in the 2nd rank. Then Atul Limited, 36 points, 3rd rank. Earth Industries, 27 points, therefore 4th rank. So you can see, guys, so as we discussed during the presentation, that the first 2 companies, Alkyl and Deepak Nitrite, they were consistently scoring very high points, and you can see from the points also there's a very marginal difference, but I don't think that is any difference. So we can see Alkyl amine and Deepak Nitrite, they are much high scorer compared to Deepak, compared to Atul and Arti. So with this, we end this video. If you think that this analysis is useful, and if you think that, or if you require analysis for any other sector, or if you want to compare, if you want us to compare between 2 stocks like we did in the case of Hindustan Unilever versus Nestle, so please let us know in the comment box, and please subscribe our channel to get more updates, and also you have to click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you get the notification. Thank you very much for watching.